TPU Tyres for the Radio Shack car. Right, I've printed some tyres. They might just foul the front there, depending on how much these wobble around. So I might have to trim them, cut them shorter so they clear the edges. Back ones look alright though. So we'll have to go and try them. Hi guys, another car park. Going to try the car with my TPU tyres on it. I trimmed the front ones because they were catching on the wing there and on the back of the bodywork. So the front wheels are thinner. Back wheels seem to be okay. And we've got a bit of sunshine. Still not getting a figure eight. I guess if you like to sound interesting, you'd call that serpentine. Stick it over here. Yeah, it looks like I got the left and right nearly equal. But the result is we're just going in a line, a serpentine line. Yeah, pretty well even left and right. But I don't think there's any way we will actually get a figure eight out of it. So, that'll have to do. I think that's as far as I can take it. I could just put one of those cams on that just does left turns and get it to go round in a sort of a square, but we can't get left and right enough to do a figure of eight. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.